Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel. So on today's cooking vlog, I am going to share with you my favorite curry recipe. But this recipe of mine has a twist, and I'm sure that you're going to love it the way I do. So you want to know about it? Then keep on watching. So guys, we are back to my curry series. So today I am going to cook my favorite chicken curry recipe. But I called mine as cheesy chicken curry.
Wow!
Yes guys, you heard it right. Cheesy chicken curry. Sounds awful, right? Curry and cheese? But I assure you that you're going to love my recipe. Very simple, very easy, and super delicious. So let's prepare our ingredients so we can start. So on this recipe of mine, we're gonna be needing 1 kilo and 800 grams of cut chicken, 8 tablespoons of plain yogurt, crushed garlic and ginger, half a teaspoon of ground cumin, 2 teaspoons of curry powder, half teaspoon of salt and pepper, 2 chopped tomatoes, 2 large chopped onions, and I also have here some cardamom seeds, bay leaves, and cloves. And also adding fresh chopped parsley. We also need some oil in here and water if required during the cooking process. So that's all the ingredients, simple and basic. So guys, what I have done here, I pour in the yogurt and the spices into the bowl of chicken. And I'm just going to mix all this using my hand, cover with plastic gloves so that the chicken will absorb all the flavors evenly. Set it aside and marinate for about 30 minutes to 1 hour before cooking it. Next, into my cooking pot, add some good amount of oil. Then fry the chicken for some time, like 2 to 3 minutes each side, just to remove the excess water that the chicken contains. When the color of the chicken meat turns white, remove it from the pot and set it aside, and continue frying the other portion of the chicken. Using the same pot, sauté the onion, garlic, ginger, and tomatoes and the rest of the ingredients. Sauté until the aroma from our spices comes out. Then after that, add the chicken. Then give it a slow mix so that the chicken will absorb all the flavors from our spices evenly. And guys, after that, change it to low heat. Cover the pan and slow cooking for about 10 minutes. When 10 minutes is done, this is how it looks like. Then, I'm going to pour in the yogurt mixture that I used to marinate the chicken. So guys, at this point of cooking, the chicken is already cooked and soft. So just give it a quick and slow mix. Cover the pan into medium heat for another 5 minutes. It's almost done, guys. As you can see, the oil starts to float and started to separate from other liquids. It only indicates that our recipe is now ready and cooked. But like what I told you, my recipe called cheesy chicken curry. So now I'm adding 1 teaspoonful of creamy cream cheese. Just let the cream cheese to melt by stirring it with the sauce. Cover the pot and let the cream cheese melt perfectly. Guys, this recipe of mine is kinda different, but I'm sure it's very delicious. If you are not a cheese lover, you can totally omit these ingredients from our recipe. So guys, I'm going to make it super cheesy. So I'm going to add some mozzarella cheese on the top of our chicken. Add as much as you want, guys. Cover the pot and let the mozzarella cheese melt. And ta-da! Here's my cheesy chicken curry ready to serve and to enjoy. All that goodness, guys. Just looking on it, I'm drooling already. This chicken recipe of mine is best to serve with freshly cooked hot rice or a bread or anything you want to eat it with. Guys, this recipe will definitely make your day and will satisfy your cravings. Look at the sauce, super creamy. I hope you guys will give my recipe a try, and if you like it, give me a thumbs up, leave some comment down below, tap the notification bell so that you're always updated every time I have new upload, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Life is so beautiful, guys. Keep smiling. Thank you for watching and see you on my next one. Bye!